Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to upload video on a CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut. It's just go click in new project. In this new project, you just need to find out the videos that you want to upload on the CapCut application or CapCut project by just click it, and after that you just need to go click add. And now you already have the video on this CapCut and you are ready to do editing with it. So how to upload another videos? So you just need to bring this the straight lines into the end of the clip. And whenever the straight line is coming into the end of the clip, you just need to go click this plus button, and there will be bring you on your video collection of your phone, and you just need to add another videos that you want to add. If you want to get another videos, you just need to go into the stock videos and just find what videos that you can get or you can upload on your project. And whenever you're done click or choosing the videos, just need to go click add, and there you go, you already have these two videos. So that's the way how to upload videos on a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.